Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today is a little bit about practicality, and let's face it, when I'm painting, I get oil paint everywhere. Doesn't matter what I do. These are my painting clothes, therefore I'm good with them getting oil all over. But the amount of times I've popped into the studio wearing, say, a new pair of leggings or jeans, and I've got oil paint on them. I don't even know how I managed to do that, but it happens all the time. So let me show you how you can get rid of oil paint from your nice clothes. Follow me.
Okay, I've got 2 lots of oil paint on my jeans. This is dry oil paint. This is wet oil paint. So the wet oil paint is the easiest to remove. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some dish soap. So this is a normal ordinary dish soap, because dish soap gets rid of oil. And I'm just going to work that into my wet oil paint stain. And I'm going to use a cloth and I'm just going to dab that out. And as you can see, that is starting now to come out. You have to be careful, obviously, with depending on what fabric you've got. Wet oil paint is the easiest to remove. So what do you do if you've got dried oil paint? Now that's a different matter altogether. So dried oil paint is much, much harder. So I'm going in with the Maker's soap. It's much smaller already. And I'm just keeping on working into that fabric, releasing that oil with our Maker's soap. Just think how dry brushes, and we can rejuvenate them with Maker's soap. That's exactly what we're doing here. We are just working on the fabric. And yes, it takes time. I'd like to say this is the first time I've ever done this, but it isn't. And there we have a clean pair of jeans that I will pop in the wash, and that last bit will come out in the wash nicely.
So I hope that was helpful for you. Oil paint, any paint, just kind of goes everywhere. So oil paint, you now know what to do. So like, subscribe, come and join me in the academy, and we'll try and make slightly less of a mess. See you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.